Okay, guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we're going to be playing Playtime Chapter 3, and I know I've already beaten Catnap and all that, but I did not get to see this part. It's because I already finished the game, and I wanted to replay the encounter, and I haven't played this game in over, I don't know, 2 weeks, and I'm did the Catnap one, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. I don't know. I still haven't seen this encounter yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and see it. Enjoy!
Your Pappy's angel have saved us. Nothing left to save. Not here. Lord Catnap's home, angel. Their home. A million pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching, waiting, hungry. They want nothing more than to crawl beneath your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Fill what feels empty inside themselves. Catnap. The prototype is his god, and this is what he does to heretics. These little toys follow Catnap to avoid that very fate. And in return, they are fed. We try to fight it. The prototypes go